Hey guys, what's going on? EVGA here from Serpent Special Forces. In this video, we're going to be going over how to mine Conflux. Now, Conflux has been up there in my monthly chart of what was the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine. Now, this isn't a video strictly on Conflux, but real quick, Conflux Networks enables secure and interoperable flow of assets and data to create an internet of value for all. Key features: scalable, versatile, secure. Here's a list of partners, and it's been in the top 10 for quite some time, right there behind Ethereum. Sometimes venturing down, maybe not in the top 5, but maybe at least in the top 10 for sure. Moving forward, the number one thing that you want to do whenever you're planning on mining a new cryptocurrency is to get a wallet. Well, the wallet options, I'll have everything linked down in the description below if you want to check that out. One is Conflux Portal, which honestly I use because it's a very quick extension. It's an actual Google Chrome extension, and it's available for Google Chrome, Firefox, QQ browser, 360 browser, and I can't pronounce that last one there. But it's very simple to install. Another one is Kobo Wallet. I used to call it Kobe Wallet, but it's a Kobo Wallet, which is available for Android and iOS devices. But just to get the Portal Wallet, I'm just going to go ahead and click Install. It's going to take me to the Chrome store. I'm going to hit Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and of course it's going to add the extension and bring it up. Now, if you're new, then you're going to want to click Get Started and say, no, I already have a seed phrase. If you do have a wallet and a 12-word seed phrase, or create a new wallet, I'm pretty sure that's self-explanatory. But we're going ahead and click this. You guys can copy the keys if you want to, because this isn't my real wallet. You create a password for whatever you want. Usually make it something strong, not something that can easily be broken or relatable to you. You want to agree to terms and conditions and hit create. Of course, here's the secret word. We can go ahead and reveal that. We want to copy that. Store it. I like to keep mine somewhere safe, not physically on the computer. And the option is available here. Download the secret backup phrase and keep it stored safely on an external encrypted hard drive or storage medium. We can do that, and it will download a file. Just put that somewhere safe. Then we hit next, and then we got to make sure that we put the words in order. And this is just to set up this particular wallet. Obviously, if you want to go with the Kobo wallet, you can certainly do that. Let me do this real quick. And congratulations, there you go. We got our wallet. And now we're going to need to copy the address. Right here at the top is the address. We copy the address by clicking this right here. And then we want to paste that to the side or hang on to it, because we're going to need to get the miners set up. But we first want to identify, after we have our wallet set up, we first want to identify a good pool to mine on. I like to use a website called miningpoolstats.stream. And then you can just search up here for Conflux, Ethereum, whatever cryptocurrency you're interested in. And actually, let me do it one more time just for you guys to see. If I search Conflux, boom, there it is on the left. I click it, and then all the pools will load up right here. Now, you want to choose a pool that's closest to your location. However, not all pools are close to your location. Just choose whatever the closest is. In my case, I'm going to choose Wooly Pooly. I could go with nanopool.org, but I'm going to go ahead and choose Wooly Pooly. I already have that pulled up. And the thing I like about nanopool.org or even Wooly Pooly or a number of pools that are out there is once you get there and you're on that specific currency's page, there's usually a how to get started somewhere. Look around for that. Ours is right here. So how to connect, boom, right there. Now it tells us the different servers. I'm in the USA, so I'm going to want to copy this. Or I can just continue through this setup, which Wooly Pooly does for us, and just select everything we have. Now, the available miners to mine Conflux are T-Rex miner, which is mostly Nvidia. Like Nvidia GPUs can mine on with T-Rex. MB miner can support both Nvidia and AMD. B miner, which is only Nvidia, I believe, and Nano miner, which I believe is both AMD and Nvidia. In this case, I'm only going to show you guys MB miner and T-Rex miner. But the process is pretty much the same. Maybe the command arguments change, but the process is pretty much the same. So I'm going to choose NB Miner. I'm going to enter in the wallet address that we just got from the browser extension. I'm going to put in a worker name, let's say test1, and then boom, everything right here is generated for us. Now we want to download the miner, and they actually give us a link right here to click and go to the official page. Now I always go to the GitHub and get my miners from there. Yes, there's Bitcoin Talk and a number of other websites that provide you links to these miners that may go to the GitHub anyways, but I always like to go straight to the GitHub and get the latest one. Now I already have the latest version for MB miner, but I do not have the latest version for T-Rex miner on this system because I have an RX 6800. So let's go ahead and show you that. But basically what you would do is you would go to that miner's GitHub. You would click the file that's specified for your operating system. There's one for Linux and one for Windows. On MB miner, they're pretty much the same, but you can verify, it's legit by checking the SHA. We're gonna click it. I have WinRAR, so I click it. It opens right up for me, and then I could go extract, hit OK. Now that's gonna go to my downloads. But what I like to do is, for example, I will go to my downloads on one window, copy that entire folder, or cut it, so that way I'm not taking up too much of my hard drive space. Then go to the main folder where I keep all of my miners nice, neat, and organized. So once you have your miner set in a particular area, yeah, you can keep it on, your C drive, documents, whatever you want. I like to keep everything organized, at least on my system. But I have MB miner right here. So let's pretend like we just downloaded that and extracted. Double click to open it up. Here's all the preset batch files that you need to start. What I would recommend is if the Algo or coin that's in there or that you're looking to mine is already in there, go ahead, look for that particular batch file, right click, edit. Don't double left click because it will start mining right away and it will mine to a donation address, not your address. So you will not earn that crypto, somebody else will. Alright, so either we can copy what Wooly Pooly just gave us by clicking this, or we can just edit the default batch file to match what we want. The most important thing for me is that I want to make sure that I have my wallet address, the pool address and port number, and my worker name in this particular file. So we're doing that right now. So boom, there we go. So Algo is in here, the algorithm. So Octopus, which is the Algo, the pool or URL, which is indicative or represented by tech O or -O, and then there's the pool address / port. And then -U is our address dot worker name. And now I can go file and I hit save as, not save as, because I want to not overwrite the existing. I like to name it something different. But then more importantly here, instead of TXT, text document, save as type, go down to all and then give it a special name. We're going to call this, test Conflux dot, take out the TXT and replace it with BAT for batch file. And then we're going to save that, and you're going to see here in the folder that we have our new file. If I double click this, I'm going to start mining right away. However, I am on an AMD system and RX 6800 gives me a little bit of trouble, at least with this algorithm. It may not report accurately because not all miners, algos, or programs are updated to utilize fully the RX 6800 capabilities, even though it's been out for a while. What I learned specifically with the RX 6000 series is that 37.1 will not work with Conflux on the 6000 series GPUs, whether it's the the RX 6700 XT or the 6800, 6800 XT, 6900 XT. So what I do is I go back to 36.1 and then I run my same batch file here, and you'll see that I'll be able to mine Conflux, accepted shares, connect to the pool, the whole 9 yards. So it's very finicky when it comes to the 6000 series GPUs. However, you will not experience this if you are running, T-Rex miner on an Nvidia system whatsoever. The principle is still the same. The basics are still the same. Edit your batch file. Make sure you update your address. But you could go ahead and get started. That is mining Conflux. That's going to do it for me today, guys. On the way out, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this. Make sure you check out the links down in the description below that greatly help out the channel. And you guys take care of yourselves. I'll catch you in the next one.